Alright, today we're featuring a certified pre-owned 2016 Honda CRV EX. It's got 36,000 miles on it, Basque red pearl in color, clean CARFAX One-Owner. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle, start here on the driver's side. Nice chrome trim around the windows. It's got your lock, unlock button here on the door handles. It is equipped with sunroof. Okay. It is an all-wheel drive. Alright. Rear backup camera. Make our way down the passenger side. It's got the lock unlock button here on the passenger door handles as well. Blind spot monitoring camera right here. We'll show you that in just a second. Once again, it's a 16. It's certified, 36,000 miles. Clean CARFAX One-Owner. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Alright, got the black with the gray insert here. Door panels, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Alright, carpet's nice and clean, no staining. Does have gray cloth power driver's seat. Okay, cloth's in good shape. Center console got HDMI, USB, and power outlet there. Passenger seat cloth looks good. All right, no problems there. Does come with a keyless entry key fob. Heated seats. Got another power outlet right there. It is an automatic. Got your climate control area here. Push button start. It's your radio display here with the backup camera and all that, and we'll show you that in just a second. Got your cruise control on this side, steering wheel audio and Bluetooth on this side, econ button here, and then your blind spot monitoring camera button there. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Alright, it's got 36,010 miles on it. Now that we've got it started, let's go ahead and show you both of these screens here. Okay, the upper screen here is going to have the date, the time, and coordinates. Then your lower screen here, let's go ahead and, let me knock that glare off real quick. There we go. The lower screen here, it's got your apps on there. Okay, go ahead and activate the backup camera. Let me dim this down. There we go. It's got the guidelines on there. Okay, and then your blind spot monitoring camera. All right, and that's a visual of your blind spot. It's a safety feature that Honda offers. All right, and then we'll just click the audio button here, and this is going to have all your audio settings. All right, let's hop out. We'll take a look in the back seat. Door panels back here in good shape. Back seat carpet looks good, no staining back here. All right, back seat cloth looks great. Center console comes down, got the cup holders there. Going to give you a driver's eye view of the dash and layout. All right, let's take a look in the back. Carpet back here is nice and clean. Lift this up, got the jack and spare tire underneath. Got the sunshade here, got handles on either side. Okay, you can simply pull these handles and that's going to let the seats down for you. And they'll come down. You can see with that sunshade out how it really opens it up back here. Alright, the seats are durable, but they're light. You simply just pull them up, click them back into place. Same thing on the other side. Alright, let's take a look at the wheels and tires. 17-inch alloys. Alright, tires are in good shape. Still plenty of tread left on them. Alright, once again, it's a 16 certified Honda CRV EX, 36,000 miles on it. Clean CARFAX One-Owner. This thing's in great shape, inside and out. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.